Level 1, the pile. It starts small. A receipt you don't throw away. A magazine you'll read later. An Amazon box you don't break down. You tell yourself it's temporary, just a busy week. The kitchen counter gets one extra pile, then two. You still eat dinner at the table. Barely. You push the mail aside to make room for your plate. This is level 1. Harmless. Invisible. Everyone has clutter, right? Your mom used to say, a messy house means a busy mind. You laughed it off back then. But clutter isn't the disorder. What happens next is. Level 2, the justification. You start keeping things just in case. Broken appliances, old newspapers, empty jars you swear you'll use for meal prep. Your brain builds a story for every object. This might be worth something. I might need this. What if I regret throwing it away? Level 2 is where guilt attaches itself to garbage. Throwing something out starts to feel like losing a piece of yourself. You don't see a mess, you see potential, memories, safety. A broken lamp isn't trash, it's your grandmother's lamp, even though you bought it at a yard sale in 2019. Your friends start noticing. They ask to come over. You always have an excuse. You start avoiding invites to your own place. The one place that's supposed to feel safe. Level 3. The room shuts down. One room goes first, usually the guest room or the garage, the room nobody checks on, boxes stacked to the ceiling like a skyline only you understand. Paths start forming between piles, narrow, winding, deliberate. You know exactly where to step. Left foot here, turn sideways past the boxes, duck under the hanging clothes rack. No one else does. This is the first room lost to the disorder. It won't be the last. Level 3 is quiet. No one intervenes yet. Because on the outside, you still look fine. You still go to work. Still smile in group chats. Still post vacation photos. Nobody scrolling past your Instagram would ever guess what's behind your front door. Level 4, the double life. You get good at hiding it. You meet people at restaurants. Never your house. You have reasons ready. It's not a good time. I'm mid-renovation. The plumber's here. Funny thing is, you almost start believing your own lies. Inside, the mess spreads to the hallway. Then the stairs. You develop new house rules. Don't touch this pile. Don't move that stack. Everything has a place, even if that place makes no sense to anyone but you. Order. Inside disorder. A system only you understand. And defend fiercely if questioned. The stove stops working, buried under receipts and takeout containers. You don't call anyone, you microwave everything now. Problem solved, sort of. Delivery drivers start leaving packages by the mailbox instead of the door. They've seen enough. Level 5, the maze begins. This is where it stops being messy and starts being dangerous. Multiple rooms are gone now. You navigate your own home through narrow trails, like a maze built out of your past. Bathroom door barely opens. You squeeze through sideways, like it's a subway at rush hour. Bedroom floor? You haven't seen it in years. You couldn't tell someone what color the carpet is. You sleep in a chair or a cleared 3-foot patch on the bed surrounded by walls of belongings. Fire exits blocked, smoke detectors buried under boxes, chirping uselessly for a battery no one will ever change. You don't see the risk anymore. You see comfort, familiarity, control. Funny detail, no. You can navigate your maze in pitch darkness. Better than most people can walk through an empty room. Level 6, the money drain. Hoarding isn't free. Storage units, late fees, unused subscriptions piling up like the boxes themselves. Some hoarders spend hundreds, even thousands, a month keeping things they'll never use again. Buying duplicates because they can't find what they already own. Somewhere in the maze, a third phone charger, a fourth pair of scissors, a drawer full of batteries you're not sure still work. Your bank account bleeds quietly, one small purchase at a time. You justify every purchase like it's an investment in your future. Spoiler, it's an investment in your past. Level 7. The cost of control. By now, you control everything about your space. No one touches your piles, no one questions your system. It gives you power, structure, predictability in a world that otherwise feels chaotic. But this power comes with a price. Relationships crack, family stops visiting, calls go unanswered because you're afraid of what they'll say if they see it. Partners give ultimatums. It's the house or me. Isolation deepens, and isolation feeds the hoarding. The less people see, the less accountability you feel. The disorder grows in secrecy, like mold in the dark, spreading where no one's watching. Level 8. The breaking point. Something forces change. A pest infestation you can no longer explain away. A city inspection. A neighbor's complaint. A family emergency exposing the truth in one horrifying moment. Or worse, a fire hazard citation, and now the county's involved. Suddenly, the secret world you built is public. Neighbors talk. Social workers show up with clipboards and careful, practiced expressions. Family stages an intervention around your own dinner table. If you can still find it. This is the moment denial collides with reality. And reality always wins eventually. Level 9. The collapse. Cleanup crews arrive, sometimes in hazmat suits. Literal tons of items hauled out onto the front lawn for everyone to see. Some hoarders describe this stage like losing a limb. Grief, panic, anger. A kind of mourning most people never have to explain to anyone. Because to you, this was never junk. It was memory, safety, identity, boxed up and stacked to the ceiling. Losing it feels like losing yourself. Health risks emerge too. Mold, rodents, structural damage hidden for years under the piles. Doctors get involved. Sometimes therapists, sometimes court orders. Final level, the cycle or the cure. Here's the twist nobody expects. Cleaning the house doesn't cure the hoarding. Without addressing the root, anxiety, trauma, loss, control, the pattern often returns. Some hoarders relapse within months. Slowly, quietly, one receipt at a time, one just in case at a time, but some don't. Some get real help, therapy, support groups, structured intervention, and they rebuild a healthier relationship with stuff and with themselves. The real ending isn't about the mess. It's about what the mess was protecting you from all along, and whether you're finally ready to face that without a wall of boxes in the way. Every hoarder started at level 1, a single item, a single just in case. The real question is, what level are you on right now and don't even know it?